Join me as I tackle the challenge of transforming a struggling investment portfolio into a thriving success. By uncovering market secrets, you can navigate downturns with confidence and turn potential losses into gains. Market downturns can be intimidating, but they are a natural part of the market cycle. Understanding market dynamics is crucial to navigating these periods successfully. With the right strategies, you can not only survive, but thrive during these challenging times. Fear of loss is a major obstacle for many investors during downturns. This fear can lead to impulsive decisions and missed opportunities. It's essential to manage emotions and maintain a clear perspective to make informed investment choices. To thrive during market downturns, focus on having a well-diversified portfolio and a long-term perspective. Investing in quality assets and maintaining a disciplined approach can help weather the storm. Staying informed and adaptable to market trends is also key to success. One impactful secret to navigating downturns is value investing. By identifying undervalued assets, you can potentially reap significant rewards when the market recovers. A deep understanding of market trends can guide you in making informed decisions. Diversification is critical in minimizing risk. Spreading investments across different asset classes can protect your portfolio from volatility. By being proactive and prepared, you can turn market downturns into opportunities for growth. Market downturns can be challenging, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can thrive. Remember, downturns present opportunities for growth. Share your experiences in the comments and explore more financial insights in my other videos.